everyone, welcome to Market Wins on Cap Reads. This is today's pre-market report for the Indian stock market, focusing on Nifty and Bank Nifty as of May 9th, 2024. Last night in the US, the government auctioned the 10-year Treasury note. A higher demand for these notes usually means a lower yield and vice versa. This auction closed at a yield of 4.48%, lower than expected, signaling investor uncertainty about future rate cuts. As a result, many preferred the safety of Treasury notes over equities, which dampened the positive momentum built from strong earnings in Europe. Consequently, US markets were mostly flat for the second day, with the Dow Jones seeing a slight increase of 0.44% due to strength in oil stocks. In contrast, the S&P 500 was flat, and the Nasdaq dropped by 0.18%. Despite these movements, the VIX index fell by 2%, indicating reduced market volatility. In the oil sector, the US Energy Information Administration reported a decrease of 1.4 million barrels in crude inventory, which nudged oil prices up slightly, supporting oil stock performance. Currently, Brent crude is trading at around $84 per barrel and WTI at $79 per barrel. Turning to Indian markets, most Indian ADRs closed in the red, with HDFC Bank seeing the largest drop of 1.34%. Interestingly, IT stocks like Infosys and Wipro closed negatively, aligning with their ADR performance, which suggests a correction rather than fresh negativity. In early trading, the GIFT Nifty matched the Nifty's previous close, hinting at a potentially flat to negative opening for the day. On the banking front, a report from Nomura highlighted the impact of RBI's new provision policy. It noted significant potential increases in provisions for banks and financial institutions, which could dent profits by as much as 3.5%. Foreign institutional investors, FIIs, turned net sellers, offloading stocks worth Rs. 6,669 crores, while domestic institutional investors, DIIs, picked up Rs. 5,928 crores worth. In corporate news, TVS Motors missed earnings expectations with an 18% profit increase against a forecasted 31%, though revenue was higher than anticipated. This makes TVS Motors a stock to watch today. Globally, key events include China's trade data and the Bank of Japan's opinion summary due before Indian markets open, with the UK's interest rate decision and US weekly jobs data to follow. From a technical perspective, Nifty opened with a 70-point gap down but later recovered, closing slightly up. This pattern suggests potential for a rebound, although the trend remains negative until a strong closing above 20,400 is seen. Bank Nifty also showed signs of strain but managed to hold above the 48,000 mark. That's all for today's market wrap on Market Wins. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video to support the channel. Remember, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Thank you for watching.